Good evening, beautiful Friday. This is a preview for our August 26th Boltz auction. We'll begin the sale at 2:30. Let's go right in and have a look around. We got a beautiful collection of furniture from local estates here, several clocks and area rugs, large dining room sets, curio cabinets, oak bar units, dinette sets, and look at that nice Dutch cupboard back here. This auction, you want to look at some of the detail in the sale. Beautiful embellishments in gilt. Now this gaming wheel will not be in the sale, but it is a remarkable piece. It is scheduled for our upcoming auction in 2 weeks from Monday. Some beautiful mirrors. We have a Chippendale English high boy. Wonderful armoire here, French. And then we'll go down this line here and take a quick look at some of the other options. Gaming tables, beautiful inlays. We have I'm going to call that a dough table, or might be considered a dry sink to somebody. Beautiful, beautiful carvings. We've got Gothic or oak pedestals here for our lectern. We've got industrial cabinets here, beautiful map cabinet, vintage antique, beautiful set there. Empire tables, shaving mirrors. Got a lot to look at in this sale. Some unusual furniture you don't see every day. And I like this beautiful model ship. That's a handmade model, and just look at the detail in that. Banquet table or hall stand. This is an unusual piece down here, little French bread safe. Tiered tables, a nice antique easel. We got a lot of good upholstered, designed furniture here. Our live edge table. And again, more clocks, some leather. Let's take a look over at our showcases. Our showcases start at 5 o'clock on auction day. And here we got a collection of vintage costume jewelry. You're going to find a nice collection of watches and pocket watches in this sale. Sorry for the overhead lights there. Then you get to some of the finer metals. We've got a lot of sterling in this sale. A lot of gold jewelry in this sale. Again, we'll start this area of the sale approximately 5 p.m. You'll find some nice fine jewelry. All this down here is sterling goblets, gold rings, and more costume jewelry there. Some coins. And again, you'll find some wonderful pocket watches in this sale. Let's take you down this way. We'll take a look at some of the antiques and collectibles from the front of the auction block here. We begin here sometime close to about 4:15. You got some holiday type items, local brewery bottles in the sale, iron door stops, granite ware. Oh, there's some really nice skater lanterns. We've been getting some, that's an old Dietz sporting skater's lantern. Cuckoo clocks, seltzer bottles. Here we have a nice collection of celluloid, pre-Columbian pottery. Somebody excavated some bottles and collected those. You got a nice group of consignments here. So if you're interested in consigning, you can give us a call. We do receive on Tuesdays from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Some beautiful oil paintings are included. Nice antique framed oil paintings there. And we'll walk down this line here. We're gonna see some beautiful baskets, carnival glass. A lot of glassware, you know, beautiful cut glass, art glass. Down below, some more baskets, etc. German punch set right there. Again, we're going to look at some of this great collection of artwork in our sale. There's a collection of perfumes in this sale, if you're into that. We have some beautiful boxes here. There's a rosewood box with some nice detail. This sort of portable letter box. That's very interesting. Nice wood bowls down there. A lot of good antiques in this sale. Real happy with the variety that we have for this Monday. Good amount of Delft in the sale, English pewter, ironware, a lot of copper as well. And a nice ship painting up top. And there's a Nautilus, a nice small size maybe for cordials. Cinnabar, Chinese Cinnabar and brasswares. Got some more German decanters. And then we're going to get into a little bit more modern day with the collection of salts and peppers. And some interesting ones in this collection. Down here we have some Waterford, crystal, and other nice fine antiques to go along. Thought this was a nice painting as well. Good oil painting there and etchings. Got some birds for you lovers. Cuckoo clock, nice big cuckoo clock in this one. And we'll go down this aisle with a little bit more fancy fun bits. Tortoiseshell. Vintage cameras in the sale. Barware and some really fine cut glass crystal wines. Oh, look at here. Looks like we have some Hubley. There's a Hubley circus wagon. Go down this way. Some decoys. A little bit of a key collection there and Wedgwood. Oh, yeah. Let's not forget we have a nice collection of vintage trains here. A lot of Lionel in the sale. This will be a little bit later in the evening. We run our sales typically from 2:30 and we get done somewhere close to 7 o'clock. So that's a good look for upstairs here. I'll have Dave give you a tour of the lower level in just a little bit. So come on out. Sunday we're open for previews from 3 until 5 p.m. Doors open on Monday for the auction at 2 p.m. And the sale again starts at 2:30 in the lower level. Furniture at 3. So we'll see you at the auction. Thanks for having a look.
All right, auction lovers, welcome to Boltz Lower Level. As usual, I want to point out that this furniture will be sold on the toll booth benefit auction on the 31st at 9 a.m. That is why it's over there. We're also having a preview for that August 30th. We're having a live rock concert. We got a couple of bands performing. We've got food, we've got beer. It's going to be a blast. So come on out August 30th at 5:30 and we can get you some entertainment. And then you can also place bids on some of this furniture, which will be the next day in the 31st auction starting at 9 a.m. All the proceeds of that are going to benefit all of the vendors of the toll booth fire. So that is what that is for. On to our actual furniture setup for the Monday auction. Just want to give you a quick walkthrough of what we have. As usual, we have really nice pieces. Nice bedroom sets down here. All kinds of dressers. Got any kids going back to college? This is the place to get stuff. Lots of nice clean mattresses we have. Tables. Little grandmother clock. Some TVs. And we've got a lot of tools and stuff here. Now they're going to sell those at the end of the downstairs here like they normally do. That's a nice TV there. And this is going to be the start of the lower level of the auction. And then we'll move on to the artwork here. That's got some color pop to it, doesn't it? All right, and we'll start with shelf 1. Our team did a great job organizing it this week, getting everything set up as usual. Got a couple pieces there laying around that will get fixed. Got all of those electronics. Now a couple of people who are going to be interested in that, a couple of our regulars. And we got all the baskets. We got books galore. Some really nice old books, cookbooks, etc. And they'll just go ahead and wrap right around here, as they do. Look at that crazy guy. You got all the decorations. Look at that big Halloween decoration. Boom. Massive skull. And of course we got lots of nice tools. All these estates that we get in always have nice, well-used or lightly used tools. Nice little display there. Glassware, look at all those steins. We got enough steins for you? I think we do. And your country primitives. We're definitely elevating this lower level. No junk down here. Only the goods. Look at all those dolls. And we got all your little chinas, model cars. Some nice tins. All right. Then we got all these knives. Got a whole bunch of knives. As usual, everything down here sells by the shelf, so you can be prepared for that. And they just go right in order. It's nice, quick, and efficient. Those big swords. We'll go start up here. X, Y, Z. All kinds of little collectibles in here. Just trying to look at all those dolls. That's a big old box of dolls. Some linens and doilies in there. While you're looking at this, remember to check out our upcoming sales. We have some amazing sales coming up, including David Zofsak's Sports Collectibles and a Jim Stauffer Rock and Mineral auction that is going to be amazing. So definitely check those out. Also, we have another sports memorabilia sale that is separate, that's going to be online. We have more comics coming up. We have coins coming up. We have military coming up. Military is going to be a big one. And then we also have our fine art sale that we are gearing up for here shortly. So September, October is going to be really, really big at Boltz. So you guys come through. We'll have some amazing items for you every single time. Thank you for viewing this. Thank you for being a part of our auction family. We really appreciate you and hope you have a great day. Hope to see you on Monday. Doors open at 2.